Before completing this step, you must ensure the trailer wheels are chocked and the trailer tongue is supported on the tongue jack so that the butler can move freely. You'll now release the spring-loaded pin from the upper bracket steering assembly to the lower main assembly to lock the butler into place. This will ensure that the butler cannot move while it is in the upright or stored position. Now that you removed the bottom hitch pin, you can rotate the butler up into the storage position, insert the travel bracket, and reinsert the hitch pins. At this point, the butler assembly is ready to travel. To avoid obstructing your view for this video, we've removed the propane tanks, propane tank cover, and weight distribution brackets. It should be noted, however, that the XHD and HD frame mount hinge model are specifically designed to work with those items in place. To reiterate, the frame mount hinge models will work with your propane tanks and weight distribution accessories installed.